Question 1. What is Amazon Cognito? The correct answer is B, User Authentication and Authorization Service. Question 2. What are the two main components of Cognito? The correct answer is B, User Pools and Identity Pools. Question 3. What is a user pool? The correct answer is B, User Directory for Sign Up and Sign In. Question 4. What is an identity pool? The correct answer is B, provides AWS Credentials for accessing services. Question 5. Can user pools handle user registration? The correct answer is B, yes, sign up and sign in. Question 6. Does Cognito support MFA? The correct answer is B, yes, SMS and TOTP. Question 7. What MFA methods are supported? The correct answer is B, SMS and TOTP, time-based one-time password. Question 8. Can Cognito send verification emails? The correct answer is B, yes, for email verification. Question 9. Does Cognito support social identity providers? The correct answer is B, yes, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple. Question 10. Can Cognito federate with SAML? The correct answer is B, yes, SAML 2.0 identity providers. Question 11. Does Cognito support OpenID Connect? The correct answer is B, yes, OAuth providers. Question 12. What is a user attribute? The correct answer is B, user profile data, email, name, etc. Question 13. Can you define custom attributes? The correct answer is B, yes, custom user properties. Question 14. Are custom attributes mutable? The correct answer is B, can be mutable or immutable. Question 15. What is a user group? The correct answer is B, collection of users with common permissions. Question 16. Can you assign IAM roles to groups? The correct answer is B, yes, via identity pools. Question 17. What tokens does Cognito issue? The correct answer is B, ID token, access token, refresh token. Question 18. What is an ID token? The correct answer is B, JWT with user identity claims. Question 19. What is an access token? The correct answer is B, JWT for accessing resources. Question 20. What is a refresh token? The correct answer is B, long-lived token to get new tokens. Question 21. Are tokens JWT format? The correct answer is B, yes, JSON Web Tokens. Question 22. Can you customize token expiration? The correct answer is B, yes, configure token validity. Question 23. What is the hosted UI? The correct answer is B, pre-built sign-in/sign-up pages. Question 24. Can you customize the hosted UI? The correct answer is B, yes, with CSS and logo. Question 25. What is a Lambda trigger? The correct answer is B, custom logic during auth workflows. Question 26. What Lambda triggers are available? The correct answer is B, pre-signup, post-confirmation, pre-auth, etc. Question 27. Can you modify user attributes with Lambda? The correct answer is B, yes, in pre-signup trigger. Question 28. What is adaptive authentication? The correct answer is B, risk-based authentication with advanced security. Question 29. Does Cognito detect compromised credentials? The correct answer is B, yes, with advanced security features. Question 30. Can Cognito block suspicious sign-ins? The correct answer is B, yes, based on risk assessment. Question 31. What is account takeover protection? The correct answer is B, detect and prevent unauthorized access. Question 32. Does Cognito support password policies? The correct answer is B, yes, minimum length, complexity requirements. Question 33. Can you require special characters in passwords? The correct answer is B, yes, configure password requirements. Question 34. What is the forgot password flow? The correct answer is B, user resets password via verification code. Question 35. Can users change their password? The correct answer is B, yes, when authenticated. Question 36. What is user migration? The correct answer is B, import users from existing systems. Question 37. Can you migrate users with Lambda? The correct answer is B, yes, user migration trigger. Question 38. Does Cognito support user import? The correct answer is B, yes, CSV import. Question 39. What is the app client? The correct answer is B, application configuration for user pool. Question 40. Can you have multiple app clients? The correct answer is B, yes, for different applications. Question 41. What OAuth flows does Cognito support? The correct answer is B, authorization code, implicit, client credentials. Question 42. Does Cognito support PKCE? The correct answer is B, yes, proof key for code exchange. Question 43. Can identity pools provide temporary AWS credentials? The correct answer is B, yes, via STS. Question 44. What is authenticated versus unauthenticated access? The correct answer is B, different IAM roles for signed in and guest users. Question 45. Can guest users access AWS resources? The correct answer is B, yes, with unauthenticated role. Question 46. Does Cognito support user deletion? The correct answer is B, yes, admin and self-deletion. Question 47. Can you disable users? The correct answer is B, yes, admin can disable accounts. Question 48. What is Cognito Sync? The correct answer is B, sync user data across devices, deprecated. Question 49. What is Cognito pricing based on? The correct answer is B, monthly active users, MAUs. Question 50. What are common use cases for Cognito? The correct answer is B, mobile/web app authentication, API authorization. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.